So hello, I'm playing teardown, and my mic, by the way, making static noise. It's just kind of normal. So, ooh, the everything revolver. I just like getting mods. Huh? Really? So, it's basically it. Ah, yeah. Campaign, I guess. Just wait for it to load in there. Oh yeah. So, I've already played this before and I've got a ton of mods. As you can see. First of all, so last time, what? Was it last time, I destroyed this. It's my physics gun. There. What? Physics gun. Right, so now I have to replace the fuse. There we go. Mods make this game wonderful. Use tool. I get right now. So checking messages. I feel time stick. Where is it? There it is. I don't know. There you go. This is a fun one. So I'm probably going to be doing this first episode for this, or the next one. But to be honest, I'm probably going to do the next one. So the way to do this, if you want to speedrun it, what I like to do, there we go, and then I get in this. Let me just turn my audio down a bit. This chimney is here. God, I can't even hear myself over the game. There we go. This is the way to do it. Bosh. You know how every YouTuber probably has like a little catchphrase or something? Mine is probably Bosh. Came from Tasman, so I don't think I ever watched it. You see a bullet just flying off there. Right, continue. And this is basically like, wonderful. That's what you do to your alarm clock, right? That's what we all do. Ooh, a hack vehicle, this would be a bunch of fun. What does that do? Don't ask about this mod, I mean. It speaks for itself, it's drive anything. Is it? Oh. How many vehicles are there around here? Oh, right. Oh, yes. They're getting back on this. Be a bunch of fun. Oh. I fly. Oh, where's that train carriage? There it is. Now we can make this an actual working train by... Now look. What the... Now if I go into a hack vehicle again... Look at this. This mod is wonderful when you have dry anything. Oh, I love this. Alright, but very quickly, I must go in here. I don't care. So I'm going to do this next one. And that's it for me. Right, now. Tab, if you're on PC, it's tab for map. Fire alarm. Large fires will trigger the alarm. Hopefully no fires. There we go. So there is one in here in this building. Also valuables. Just lift up that sofa there. Where's the next one? It's all the way over there. Now I'll have the jetpack enabled. I think what I best do then is oh. Aye. Fire. Oh, Jesus, the thing went out of the window. Where's the last one? It's in that building. Aye. It's in this one? Oh, it's there. So pretend I'm powered by water. I've literally just recorded for 10 minutes. 225, there we go. First 2 missions complete. That's basically a guide how to get free valuable as well in teardown. So yeah, so next one, I think we might. This is the next mission. It's got alarms. Gonna do gonna get more tools and upgrade them. So yeah, that's that. Bye bye.